Hello, everyone. Is that a secret message? Friends, while no one sees or hears, I've got a secret message here. Look, the sheet is completely empty and only I know how to read it. You want to learn how to make such messages? Watch the video until the end.
Laura, what is that sheet of paper you have?
Comic, you scared me. This is actually a secret message. And if you won't tell anybody, I will show you how to encrypt this message or how to read it. And for this, you will need only watercolors, water, and a brush.
This is a blank paper. There is no message.
Oh, yeah, sure. Just hold on a second. What's written here? Under the table. Well, I think a surprise is waiting for me under the table. Let's check it out. Donuts. And they're pink ones, my favorite ones.
How to make such messages?
There is a big secret, but I will show you. Let's go for on an ordinary piece of paper, like we have here. Donuts. Like we have here, we write any message with a white pencil. So you can't see anything, but if you paint the sheet with watercolors, you can read the message.
You can send secret letters to friends and no one can read them if you do not know the secret.
You can even play spies, write and hide secret messages, and this is so much fun. How else you can encrypt the message? See our previous videos. Subscribe to the jollybattle channel. Share the video with your friends. We're waiting for you on our social networks. Link to the description for the video. And don't forget to like it. And until next time, my secret fellows.